Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SOUNDCORE Liberty Pro headphones and I'm going to show you how to go through the ear tip fit test. At first, scroll all the way down so that we can see more settings. We have to go into here and then click fit test. Here we have to take our headphones and place them in our ears, like it's here. And then we have to hit earbuds in position. Now we have to be very quiet and hit start the test. As you can see, I have excellent seal, but let's check what will happen if I don't have excellent seal. As you can see, adjust or try a different tip. And here we have suggestions. The whole test is only hearing the music. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!